Hello people of YouTube and welcome to another Davinci Resolve tutorial. Today we are going to be learning how to subtitle our videos. Now, I'm pretty sure you know what to do and you know what that is. However, this subtitling is a bit different. I'm sure you've seen many, not many YouTubers, but a lot of, there's a specific type of YouTuber that does this type of subtitling, and it's very common in Minecraft Parkour. So I'm using a Minecraft Parkour template video, like I have in most of the other tutorials, because it's just perfect for them. Now, simply put, this is very tedious and kind of a problem. However, it's not that big a deal, and you'll get over it once you learn how to do it. So, we gotta learn how to do it. We are just in the Cut tab, very simple. This is how you open up a video file anyway, or just a editing project. And then over here in the top left, with these little tabs here, you click on Titles. I have 3D Keyer searched in, so don't do that. Don't worry about that. And I'm just going to say this now, you will never need any other text other than text plus, because you can change it in whatever way you need. These down here would probably be cool if you could do that, but I've never used any other text besides text plus. I recommend using text plus for everything. So you have your custom little title here. Let's say, I don't talk at all in this video, so what do we want it to say? Let's say subscribe, and then let's create some more text. So let's just bring in some text from the sidelines over here, and let's go and put a third one. That way I can just have it how I like it. Then let's make this one say 2. And let's have this one say Lynnthethios. Now, if you can't tell, that says subscribe to Lynnthethios. So I think you should probably go and do that. And let's just make it short as it should be. Now, typically, if you're going to be making these, you're going to want to sync it to audio, which you can see in this video that I did here in the top right with the eye icon. Now, obviously, if you're going to do subtitling, you don't want it in the middle, unless you do for some reason. There's probably some videos that do that, but you're going to want it down in a good place where it looks natural, right above my little hotbar, and the health things look good. And we can just copy and paste that and put on the other text. That way it's all in the same place, which makes it look really, really nice and synchronized. I guess that's the right word. Symmetry, synchronized, one of the two. And now, here's an important part that you probably didn't think you were going to get. So in most of these videos, they have outlines. We're going to show you how to do an outline. So when you click on the text, you have it selected in the Edit key, or the Edit tab. You then want to go to Shading, and click the number 2, or select element number 2, enable it, and then go down here. Now I recommend putting the thickness to 0.052. It's pretty easy to do when you get the hang of it. And then changing the color from red to black, which you can just drag it down to the bottom. And now you can see it's got a nice little outline. You can change the thickness for whatever you'd like. I'm going to put it to the very max for this because I just think that's nice. And then we can do it on every other one because, well, we want consistency, symmetry, and other blah 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 words, you know? So then after I put it on all 3 of these, we can get to the popping in and out part of it. So let me just put it on these and I'll come back to you. Okay, so now it is on every single text, and if we play the video, you'll see there's subscribe to Lynnthethios. Very slow, so I'm actually going to change that. But if you noticed in the entire video, it was very just like cut to text, do this, do that, blah blah blah. And it didn't look very nice, you know? You just subscribe to Lynnthethios. It feels robotic, it doesn't feel nice, it looks bad. So, to fix that, we're going to do one very simple thing, and that's make these a bit longer because I feel like it's going to be easier to make an example out of if it's longer. You don't have to worry about that. What you have to worry about is syncing it to audio, because I'm not showing that in this video, unfortunately. Now, you want to select the text in the Edit tab and go to its settings instead of its title. This is important. And don't worry about what I just opened up. Did that say house fire? This video is a dumpster fire. Alright, anyways. So, at the very beginning of it, put a node, and then make sure this as your text off the screen. It doesn't matter where. You can come in from the top of the screen, you come in from the left, from the right, or you can do it from the bottom. Then you can make it like run up the screen. Honestly, this is for images, so that's my bad. I did the wrong way of doing it. What you're meant to do for this one is making it small, making it real small. Okay, as small as can be. Zero even. Just make it 0. And then a little bit after, not that long, it doesn't have to be long at all, as long as you can see that pop animation come out, then you just put it back to normal, and then you just make another node over here, that way it stays normal for a long time, like so. And then at the very end, you make it go back to small again, that way it looks like it's disappearing, and the next word is coming out. Now, I don't exactly know what I just changed there. I changed the wrong text clip. That's fine. Doesn't matter. Okay. But anyways, we just do it to the other text. And I'm going to mention this now. This probably isn't going to be the best looking subtitling. You can see the video on the top right infographic. Like I said earlier, to see the best subtitling you've ever seen in your life. Or you can watch a Smitty video. That works too. But this basically is just to pop in and out, making it look nice. And for you, when you do it, if you do it, then you're going to want to not only sync it to audio, but you are going to have to be the guy who decides how exactly long you want it to wait to come out or whatnot. So basically, you can make it take forever and you can make it funny with making it take forever or something, or you can build up tension with making it take too long. Now, if you make it go fast, you can be very speedy, and that's always nice. Now, with all the popping animation, it should look a lot nicer. Subscribe to Lynnthethios. It's not very well synced because there's nothing to sync it to, but it does admittedly look nicer than before. And with this, you can do this with all sorts of things. You could make the text as long as you want. Like I can just put subscribe to Lynnthethios and like to, and then all of a sudden the text is long and it's still fine because now subscribe to Lynnthethios and like to. It's very nice, very easy, very simple. But you know what else is nice, easy, and simple? Liking the video and also subscribing. If you can do that, then good job. Congratulations. You are loved. Probably. Anyways, bye.